high latency which is not effective for normal users, the one who are surfing internet or downloading. But on the other side, if you are a gamer or if you are playing online games like Dota 2, CSGO, PUBG, then it will be very effective to your games. Before solving the ping problems, we need to know a few basic things about the network. Otherwise, you won't be able to fix it. I have watched so many videos on the YouTube which are not perfect solution in this case, because they are giving you few softwares which are not actual solutions. So here is a few basic things that you need to know. ISP, router firmware, cable connectivity, Windows update and appropriate driver for your network LAN card, Windows settings and ping on Google. So let's talk about it one by one. Number one is ISP, which is also known as Internet Service Providers. So in this case, I will not recommend you to use mobile connection because mobile connection is not good for playing online games. In this case, I will recommend you to use broadband connection through the wire, which are more reliable than your mobile connection. Number two is router firmware. If you are using router in your home, then you have to check your router firmware whether it is up to date or not. If you don't know how to download router firmware, then just go to the google.com and type your router model number, and after that download the router firmware from the manufacturer website. Number 4 is Windows update and drivers. Make sure that your drivers and Windows are updated. Number 5 is ping on Google. The point is how much ping you are getting on Google. So just open your CMD and type ping space www.google.com space -t. If you are getting 40 to 60 ms without any RTO, which means request timeout, then your ISP is okay. So let's do this task without any router and also with router. If you are getting same ping in both the situation, then your connection is okay. So now I'm going to share some method which is help you to fix your computer ping issue. The first method is remove reusable bandwidth settings. So for that you need to go to your run box, just press Windows and R button together, and after that type over there gpedit.msc and press enter from your keyboard. After that you have to go to under computer configuration, is called administrative template, and after that you have to expand network tab, and then you have to go to QoS package scheduler, and under QoS package scheduler on the right side corner you will get limit reusable bandwidth settings. So you have to set this limit to 0, and after that click on OK. The second method is use Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1. So just go to your run box, and after that type over there ncpa.cpl. After that click on enter, and after that right click on your network LAN card and go to the properties. After that double click on IPv4 address, and if you have already put it any DNS over there, then just click on advanced option, then click on DNS and add that Cloudflare DNS. After that click on OK. The third method is how many devices connected on your network. So just go to your router setting page and click on wireless statistics. After that you can check all your devices which are currently connected on your network. After that, if you will see any unwanted device connected on your wireless router, then just go to your wireless router settings and change a new password for your Wi-Fi. The next method is network uses on your computer. So just go to your task manager, just right click on your task manager panel and go to the task manager, and after that you have to click on app history, and here you will get all your network details. So as you can see right now, this application are running on my computer, and this application consume this much of network bandwidth. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.